Fair enough. Close. Yeah, look for it. Yeah, you got that, Ben. Yeah, Ben. Great run, Ben. You got him there. Good, Matt. It's yours. Shot. Ooh, she's got a good shot. That's it, stay tight, Leeds. Good, Erin. You, Matt. Loose. Wait, what? Oh. Stay in that, Leeds City. Oh, yes, Matt. Nice and easy, Leeds City. Unlucky. Oh, good hand, David. Watch out, Zeus. Good, Matt. Great defense, guys. Lovely defense. Oh! Run in, Emma. Oh. Yes, Emma. Oh! Everyone's at the post. Good, Matt. Post side, David. Oh my God. Straight from the training book.
Yeah.
It's like puzzling us out. Yes, Emma! Oh! Unlucky. Great shot. Oh, very fast. Maybe not. Let's go, Leeds City.
I don't think it was actually score with like you did.
Right, guys.
Well, that is a moment. Well, I think guys are still in touch with it. It's like 10 or 30 seconds. They're the closest. I can't remember how many points.
Are you playing away at some point?
Yeah, April. If you're around, it's something. Yeah, a Saturday in April. Yeah. Don't know whether. I think it might be too late in the season for it to really matter.
Oh.
I think it's quite. Yeah, I think it's quite close to the end of the season. But it could, I don't know, it might mean that that's the one where we confirm it, perhaps.
It's so easy to get to.
Yeah, I know, I've not seen Matt there since
Oh, that was too bad.
What you did to your fingers, is that today?
Oh, I broke it. 2 weeks ago
Still able to play?
now? Yeah, apparently so. They didn't tell me I couldn't.
Yeah.
I didn't ask. But...
Yeah, that would have been a random one, the doctor's like, so no korfball.
Yeah. Nice day, babe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Good work, City. Whoop. Good, David. Oh, there it is, man on. Yes, Lucy, great. Right call, Lucy. Yeah. 55 minutes. Right. Score 7-6. It's very close. A real nail biter. Yeah, Lucy, nice. Oh, man. No Colette. Good, Emma. One of them.
Where are you travelling to?
Oh, yeah. He wants every ball. Yeah, go on. No? Okay. Unlucky, that's right. Good, Emma, that's your collect. Nice. 2 in. There we go. Oh, Lacey! Great work, guys. Oh, Suze. Back to you, Suze. Back to you. Oh, all the shots are so close. Nice, guys. Yeah. Up or out? Good, Lucy. 53, I think. Oh! Oh, unlucky change turn. I mean, not seen a more obvious penalty than that. At least that wasn't a penalty as well, I think. Go, Ben. Good, Ben. Hold that, Ben. Yeah. Right decision. That's alright, guys. Let it out. It's fine. Save your energy. Get set, City. Good, Emma. Yeah. Good, Ben. Oh, I'm not even filming. Oh my God.
Is this just a sub to run down there?
Keep it moving. Yes, Ben. Oh, unlucky. Great work, guys.
differently this time.
Oh,
yes.
oh, yeah.
You can't see the goal.
Unlucky, David. Let's go, City. Plenty of time. Hello, mate.
Scotland really quick attack. That's why he's
Yes, is. Calm.
Yeah, and the other team gets the ball and just attacks. Fresh legs.
Let it out, guys. We want to score some goals again.
Which, to be fair, they don't need to. Like, it's on the other teams are like 5 minutes left.
Good, Jace. Nice and easy.
Oh, what? It's on the other team's 11? Well, yeah. I mean, if the team that are
Go for that, Matt.
marks the ball out really tight, they don't waste their time. So it's in probably at this stage.
Oh, perfectly cut feed.
Yeah, or try and intercept it. So you've got to be very good.
Still in this, City. Go on, Suze. That's a goal. Ah, unlucky. Yeah, save Ranger David. Oh, yeah! Oh, no. I'm up. Emma! Oh my god, thank god. Catch, don't hit. She's very surprised. There's not long left.
Nice, Emma!
He seems good, doesn't he? Well, he's an unknown prospect for us as well, because he's new. He's played for Sheffield. Came from the dark side.
Good.
I mean, Kane's himself.
Nice, Emma!
Score some goals, Leeds City. Get some shots up. Yeah, why not, Matt? Why not, mate? Love it. Yeah, David. Oh, Leeds City! Keep it up. Yeah! Great recycling, Leeds City. That's what it's all about. Like a minute left, I think. If that. Oh, the side's caught on the first. Why spoil our fun? Get some shots up, Leeds. Not long left. Shoot! Shoot! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get some shots, Leeds! Oh, you alright? Shoot! Shoot! Yeah! Oh! Well done, guys!